Dun, 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 no, 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 no. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's make quickly open keycard. I really need to make a shortcut for my switching here. Open this. Oop. Alt Shift 2 and Alt Shift 3. And okay. I think we can already hide this again. And let's go like this. Oh, CPU is at 20%. We are good. Let me pause the stream.
Okay. Let's get started.
Whoa. Let's try to not make immediate chaos. Okay, so we're still trying to put this on here. But let's zoom in real quick. Yeah. Okay, so we have this kind of in here. This is destroyed, dude. Look at this. What the fuck? And well, turns out I don't know how to solder. So yesterday evening I googled. And now I know. Hold on, I need to open my notes app real quick. Where is my... Do I have a notes app? There it is. I don't remember where I... Ah, here. Okie dokie. Got that stuff cleared out. Ambient presence, how you doing, dude? Okay, so yesterday we were trying to solder with this tip. Turns out that shit don't work. Okay, apparently you need a tin layer over here, and we just have like, as you can see, this is just oxide. There is no shininess left on the tip. And there is a way to fix it, but that involves like sticking it into a paste that that like has a bunch of stronger stuff than this, like that turns into acid, and also tin to like etch away all the oxide and then retin it. I still need to order that stuff, so what we will do is gonna grab a new tip. I just need to find one. Pretty simple. Shrimple as. Oh, this is a very fine tip. Oh, is it oxidized? That would not be amazing. Come on, camera. Oh, it's not very shiny. That's not good. Let's check if I have other tips. What are these things? Oh, audio jacks. I was wondering if I still had one. think this is a clock. SD card reader. I have an 8 segment clock thing. Nice. I don't know what to use it for yet, but a couple USB-C ports. So much random shit. What is this? Oh, ESP32. Wait, that's actually nice. Which model is this? ESP82 something something. Oh, this might be one of these incomplete, like these not really ESP32 models. I didn't know I had this. Wait, this is amazing. Can do so much funny stuff with that. In case we need to... Bro, this is... Jesus Christ. Do not use this as a keyboard. Okay, I'm not seeing any more tips. Soldering tips. What would you call them? Iron tips? So I guess we're gonna have to use this until, well, maybe between these things. Don't throw everything down. I am wrapped into layers of cables. I cannot get up that easily. Nope, nope, nope. Okay. Looks like this is it. Can either try to somehow dip this in acid and oh my god, is there like any part left that's not oxidized? I don't think so. Why are you focusing on this? Hello? You have a perfectly fine tip right in front of the camera. Why is there a hole? Ooh, we can look inside. That's funny. So either we try to fix these tips. Let me hold the other one next to it. I don't see my fingerprints, please. Okay, it's a lot smaller, so we have to be careful, but it's also a lot shinier. Okay. I'm gonna go with this new tip now. I'm gonna order the, what's it called, retinning paste. It always looks very funny because you have like burnt holes where you like stick like the iron into. Looks like a desk in a high school where someone had too much fun. Oh, this is a pointy fucking tip, dude. Look at this in comparison. Oh no. So we can actually get some heat out of this. And don't ram it against anything because pointy tips like to bend, and I don't like it when my tips are bent. So the temperature I will now adjust from 450 degrees back down to like 325, so we're actually in like a reasonable range. And then immediately try to add some tin to it. Okay, 325 degrees, let's see if that works. Let's wait for this thing to heat up. We might need to put some acid on it. We're gonna see, we're gonna see. Hold on, I need to rearrange my chats real quick. Let's get these two up here. Oh, do I have Discord? If I get a notification on Discord, I will hear it. Oh, I can... Hold on. What temperature are we at? Oh, we're close. Let me quickly... Oh. I don't actually know how to... Width, height. Oh, height is 600. Okay, perfect. Okay. Jesus Christ, I'm getting notifications. Wait, is my... Okay, my camera is muted. Excuse me. Okay, let's try to get some actual solder on this tip. And can we focus this without me holding my hand in front of it? Because I will burn myself. Yo, this is shiny. Why is the tip not shiny? What's going on there, huh? Oh, I need to... Okay. Really beautiful, shiny tip. Maybe we can actually now melt some stuff. Not like yesterday, dude. Okay, how are we gonna... We grab one of these pins, and we want to get the pin into this black blob in there, which we kind of destroyed yesterday. Oh, come on, get a grip. There we go. Let's try to not get this wrong. I probably need to add some solder on this thing beforehand, right? Ooh, come on. I don't have 3D view with the camera. Oh my god. I really need to take care of my tips more. Do not clip that. Proper tip care, guys. Proper tip care. Can I position this without... There we go. Just need to wait until this heats up. Which I hope will be soon. Oh, I feel something giving. Oh, god damn it. What the fuck? Please don't let it be like yesterday. Come on. I don't want to make this hotter. But it is a very small tip, so... Why are there spam bots in my chat? On Kick, hello. I don't have moderators and I have both hands full. I need voice activated bands. That's what I need. Real, I don't know if this hole is still working. Can we like get a oh Jesus Christ, I need to look at the fuck the soul is doing. Let's code this back in Pearl of Stuff. Why does this look so wrong? Why am I? Come on, dude. Okay, maybe I actually need like one of these brass sponges, but you know how it is. Okay, let's take a look at what the fuck this hole is doing, because this is not looking healthy. Jesus Christ. Okay, I don't think there's anything left of the hole on this side. Gonna be honest. I think we might need to get this off. Careful, careful. So two separate pieces. Look at this side. Is there something left? Maybe. Can see at least like... Let's try this. This is not gonna be pretty, but at this point I just wanted to actually melt. Come on. Okay, I need to fit this in. Jesus Christ. Come on. Focus. This is not the ideal angle to hold it. Yes, I fit. Nope, never mind. Do I need to drill a fucking hole through this? Or can I maybe try to suck it out? I can try that, yeah. Let's get my sucker. Load it. No. Actually load some tin on here. Let's get a bunch of goop on this, maybe this will help. Clear like the oxide layer. Ooh, I need a lot of force to push something out. Okay, there we go. I don't have 3D view, I don't know when I'm gonna hit this. Okay, I hit it. This is not ideal. Oh, I forgot to ban the one guy. Ooh la la. Guys, I don't think this hole is savable. Holy shit. We really destroyed it yesterday. Maybe if I add a lot of goop, a lot of solder to it, not goop. Goop is the other thing. Like this. Okay. Maybe if I zoom in a little more. I don't think this is helping. Come on, make the bridge. I know you can. Okay, now we have just closed the hole, which not really what I wanted to do. Oh, don't touch there, it will be hot. Okay, I might actually need to turn up the temperature a little bit. But it's not. Ooh, don't glitch up. Oh, it's melting. Yes. Yes, I believe in you. Oh, damn it. Maybe I can... Hold on. Let's try to get my copper on there. And just suck a bunch of the solder out that way. Okay, spread it open and get this out of the way. And press this stuff down. Yeah. Okay. Now this could work. It's really annoying that this is like the one hole that we can actually fit this in. Like if there were... Wait, can I fit this one up? Because we kind of destroyed the one hole that we can actually use. This is not ideal. Ooh, maybe if I move the cable, the red one on top, I can... Why does it look like the cable is broken? Maybe then I can move it up one hole. Ooh, that would be risky though. Actually, would it be risky? Hold on. Let's take a... Let's cover our tip again. Always cover your tip. Holy shit, this worked pretty well this time. No. Oh, it didn't actually do anything. Hold on. It's not sticking. Oh, it dropped. This is not good. I need like this tip cleaner. What you call a tip restoration thing. Go close up of my hairs, nice. Because this shit is not ideal. Let's get some goop on there. Now we pretend like we have solder with goop core. Now I can try to... Well, good enough, hopefully. Now, let's try to see if we can... Let's zoom out a bit, so you can actually see something. So we want this, where is it? This thing. The negative side on this side. The current plan was to put it here. That's a terrible plan, because that does not fit. What the fuck was I thinking? Okay, the next plan was to put that thing... Wait. I got this. Trust me. Here. Okay, and that would be this... Oh, I don't even know if there's any contact left between these. Can you focus? Why are you focusing on my finger? What is happening? Focus there. I don't know if there's any contact left. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, I think I need to move the black cable to like... we. And then use that hole for... Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. So... Actually, let's put this back on here so we have more stability. Which direction? This direction. And... You're in and... Ooh, you're back out. Oh, we can actually see everything. And you are in. Let's go. Okay, so plan. Following. Zoom in. Step 1. Get this black cable. Go up here around this thing. Up here to this thing. I don't actually know if we have any connection down here. Need to check that. So get my iron and my tweezer. That's the word I was looking for. I'm again beautiful fingernail focus, but that's not what I want to see. There we go. Let's hope he will realize what I actually want to see. Can I turn autofocus off? Does anyone know? Anyone using droid cam? Oh my god, heating up ground plates. This might actually be easier without having this in the Arduino. Come on, melt. Oh, okay, we're not on standby. I was worrying. Ever since I fixed the standby to like 1 hour of my soldering iron, it doesn't go on standby that fast, but I am still paranoid. Come on, is this... Are we serious right now? Oops. Are we actually serious right now? Also, why are we focusing on my fingernails again? Can we not move it out of the way? No. Oh, what? Why is this thing hot? No. Okay, I think I need to not heat up the whole ground plate for this. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, this was heating up everything, but not the thing it was supposed to. Okay, let's get this back out. This is not the most secure way, but I don't know who designed the Arduino, right? Look at this. Okay. We have on this side perfectly reasonable. Can use like 1 pin header. Put it in here, right? And we just have like a gap of 1 over here. Perfectly reasonable, I get it. Now, we can continue this all the way here. And I'm pretty sure that this lines up with these. Okay. But then, for some fucking reason, we have this pin header, which is half of a pin offset. Why? Now I can't use like this thing, because I need to make all of these things offset by half a pin. It's just... Why? Somebody explain. Okay. Let's get back to this. Oh, maybe we do the genius move of coating this in a little bit of tin. Why is there? Oh, that's way too much. Hold on. Okay, there we go. I need some leverage on this so I can pull it out. Let's use the chip on top. I don't actually know which one of these chips is which. One of them is an op amp to get my 5 volts from the Arduino up to 12 volts. And the other is hold on, I think ADC, analog to digital converter. Not a DAC, right? The Arduino already has a DAC. Bro, why are we not focusing on this? It's in the middle of the camera. Come on, dude. Yeah, this is still not melting. Okay, let me just get the leverage, like... Ooh, almost burned myself. Don't do that. Okay, okay. This pin. Just heat up. Can't really see if it's melting or not. I don't think it is. It doesn't feel like it. This is... I don't want to go hotter. Pretty sure this should be enough. You know what? Maybe. Oh my god, my hand is cramping. Ooh. Let's just get a bit of goop on there. Can I zoom in further without it being like too ass? Yeah. You can kind of guess what's going on, right? Okay, let's... Whoa.
Come on, do it. I believe in you. Believe in me that believes in you.
Okay, I think we might actually need to up the temperature. This is impossible. Hello? Am I going insane again? Let's add some tin to this. It's not tin, right? Wait, is it tin? Yeah, it is tin. Oh my god, hold on, my thumb is cramping. I was putting way too much pressure on that cable without any good reason. Trying to just rip it out. Because already molten tin increases the surface area in which we can conduct the temperature into the non-molten tin, and it's melted. Nice. You know, you just need to know a little physics. And then everything will be fine. Ow, my thumb. Okay, guys, listen. I need to explain to you some annoying stuff about my gym. So I had back day today, right? So that's why my thumb is cramping, because... Hold on. Okay, this is important. Do I have my graphics tablet somewhere over here? I don't know. Oh, this is bright. Let's calm the fuck down a little bit. My graphics tablet is over there. Let's try to do this with the mouse. Maybe no. We're gonna grab it. My long arms. Ooh, camera's in the way. Ooh, keyboard's in the way. Ooh, everything is in the way. Okay, so basically, normally you have like, is this like a good pen? No, it's not. Can I just, this one maybe? Yes. Okay, normally you have like grips that are like one shaft, right? And then you have like circular like thing, right? That's like maybe like 3 centimeters or something. Normal shaft, perfect. You can just grip it like it's round. I don't see any need to innovate on this. For some reason in my gym all of the grips have like this shape, right? A bit more round. Let me... Okay, this is like the cross section of the shape. And it's not really a problem. Usually you just like... This is still an eraser. Usually you just like push from here. Completely fine, like normal stuff. Maybe you pull a little bit from like here or something. Also works in a rowing machine, right? Now, for some reason, the pull down machine has this grip. Hold on, I need the selection tool. And let's get this thing going. It's like this. Okay. Now the pull down machine, I don't know if you know this, but you have to pull it down. And can I merge this with the layer below? I think so. Hold on, I am smart, I can figure it out. There we go. Get back to the brush. Okay, so we're pulling from here. Now, I understand the theory, okay? Let's zoom in a little bit. I understand the theory. The theory is, if we have like a ridge over here, we can't really slip when we pull, right? Because like, we have like the maybe the knuckles here, then the hand goes like this. Like this is more secure than just like a round top where knuckles are like here, fingers are like you get it, right? The problem is, now instead of having like a 3 centimeter diameter of a grip where like all the force is distributed along your hand, right? You have like this like 0.5 millimeter thing where all of the weight of the pull down is just pressing into your hand. And there's 2 ways you can hold this. So the first way is like basically you have like your knuckles over here, then like your first finger joint is over here, and like the second and I don't know, the third, something like this, right? Now this way you basically just have a wedge which drives apart both of these both of these bones, which hurts like a motherfucker. So that's not the way to hold it. The second way is to have like your knuckles kinda here, just bridge the bone across. You have it like this. Now you have like a wedge which just tries to break your bone in half. And why would you do this? Why? Like I can't grip this machine without either like I can grip it, but either it hurts so bad that I can't do my max weight because I'm like my brain is occupied with trying to ignore the pain of my hand instead of my back, which is supposed to hurt. Or yeah, I use less weight and That wasn't what I wanted to do. This one was... No. This one was it. Yeah, that's my graphic tablet. Beautiful. Damn it. Yeah, this tripod is not very stable. Hold on, let me get back to a working camera state. Hold on, let's get some screws loose and fasten them again. Okay, for the back there is a solution for this. I have like straps that just like you wrap around like your wrist like this, right? And they go out here and you can wrap it around, so it basically just pulls on your wrist instead of your fingers, but it's not that much weight. Like, I'm not that strong, okay? I can grip it. Just not with these grips. It's fucking stupid. Okay, where were we? Before my rant. Sorry about that. Right. Oh yeah, we were pulling this out. I think we need to zoom in again so we can actually see. We need to... Oh Jesus fuck, that's not underneath there, right? Oh, that is a problem. Why are we... What is this cable, dude? Hello? Am I okay? Wait, I have a genius idea. Oh wait, no, we want to use this hole, right? Yeah. Okay, so new idea. First pull this red cable out. This is giga scuffed. Like this? No. Come on, I need to get some grip on it. Okay, if we press it down like this, and then grab it like this, this should work. Oh, we are back in standby. I do not want you in standby. I need you at 325 degrees, and we are focusing on my fingernail again. Hold on, there has to be autofocus, right? And that is a white balance. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? Oh, what's this? Bruh. Just fucking internet went out. Nice one, dude. Classic. You'll love to see it. Why is this happening like every fucking stream? Every time at 20... Wait. Is my router fucking up? This might be my router. Chat, we figured it out. Did it send another notify? Okay, no. I need to check if this is the router. There's no way, right? Okay, maybe it is. Fuck it. I'm gonna check off the stream. There has to be like a reboot feature or something I'm missing. Okay, we are back at a hot temperature. Come on, grab the thing. And let's see if we can melt this. I have my finger directly on the cable. If this takes too long, I will burn. That is not good. This is not working. Let's try with the goop. And some solder. more goop. We want goop. Yeah, dude. I love goop. And some solder on my thing. Let's get some tin back on here. Okay. Let's see. Looking good, looking good. Okay. Let's try again. Try again, try again. Scoop, solder and a clean tip. Ooh. Oh, damn it, I slipped. This is a very... I'm curious how you're meant to remove hair with this. Well, you see, this thing is very hot and I can... no. It's basically a current source. So I stick a needle into the hair follicle and like a pad somewhere on my skin. Then I apply current to the needle, and this will, with like the oil in my skin, like you just have oil there, right? Will produce lye, and that will etch. Yeah, lye, like opposite of an acid, that will etch. Yeah, basically in the follicle. Yeah, it will just etch like all the cells that produce hair, and then they will scar over and hopefully no hair will grow ever again. So far the theory. It has been approved as a hair removal method. It's one of the oldest ones because it's pretty simple. It's just, it takes long because you kind of have to do every hair by itself. So, and it, depending on how much current you can apply, like they calculate in like units of lye, which you need like 40 units of lye, and you multiply your current of milliamps by time in seconds. So if you can tolerate more pain, you can just up the milliamps. If it's a sensitive area, just you're just gonna have to take longer. And Jesus Christ, why is this not melting? I might need... Ooh, don't tip over the tripod again. Maybe 5 degrees more. We can take that, right? So where... Huh? I'm on the wrong fucking side, aren't I? No, I'm not. Okay. I was... Jesus Christ. I was about to freak out. Okay, see if I can... Let's get some tin on here. This is smoking a lot more than it's supposed to. Don't know if I like that. There have also been more modern hair removal methods. Basically, you can use that needle as an antenna. Kind of an antenna. You're not using air, but your body as like the medium, I guess. And if you send in microwave frequencies, you kind of just microwave your hair follicle. And that will... Well, it will Oh no, I can't push there, that's too hot. That will coagulate, I think is the word. Coagulate the brain, hello. The proteins in your skin, and that will also destroy the hair follicle. It's a bit more radical, it's a lot faster, but there are also some issues with it, so as a beginner I will use this method. Also, I don't want to spend all the time figuring out how to calculate fucking microwaves. Like, what do I look like? Why can't I? Jesus, come on, this is not... It's not supposed to be this hard. Let's get back on camera over here. Okay, where's my... Oh no, it's on the wrong side. Don't burn my arm, thanks. Tweezer. Damn it, bro. Are we serious right now? Is this shit not melting? Bro, it's just... I need to go back to higher temperatures. 350 degrees. This is actually impossible. Let's get some solder back on here. Let's get some goop on here. Can I like see what I'm doing? Thank you. Goop. I love goop. Come on. I know you can do it. Bro, this is so stupid. Hello? Why are we not melting anything? Let me do a sanity check on this. Let's go back on here. We just want this to heat up, right? Bro. This is insane. Should be hot enough to flow. Okay, it kind of is. It kind of works. Yeah, maybe a little bit hotter for these big things. I don't want to work this hot. I feel like it's damaging stuff that I don't want it damaged. If that makes sense. Come on. I have increased the temperature. What else do you want? More of this? Understandable. Don't tell me this is also not melting. It would be stupid. Come on, bro. Oh my god, we got fucking out. This shit is insane. Bruh. Oh no, I need to melt this to get this thing. Oh boy. At least I have like a decent grip on this. Let's see if we can get this. To melt somehow. Just apply heat and wait. Mm-hmm. I think we might need to get hotter. We're getting into 400-degree territory again. I don't like this. That's good. Hold on. Let's get a bunch of goop on my tip. Okay. Then see what does a tip look like. Okay. Ow, ow. Ooh, I said wrong. Let's try to melt this again. Damn it. Why is this so black? A big part is probably mirrors. Are we really not reaching a fucking melting point? This is insane. $390 degrees. We're getting into stupid territory again. Although this tip is a bit longer, so maybe it actually makes sense here. Let's get some tin on this. Well, that certainly isn't really what I wanted to do. Why? Come on. Just want to melt some fucking tin. There's no way this should be this hard. Like, where is all my heat going? This makes no sense, dude. Okay, let's see if this works. Bro, the tin just immediately cools down. What kind of fucking heatsink is this? Look at this. Hello? Do I need a fucking heat gun on this? Actually, I probably need some goop on this. Because we are getting into oxid territory, huh? Feels like. Bro, this needs way too much fucking strength to press. This is so stupid. Why did you go to the positive lane? Hello? Hold on. Shit makes no sense, bro. It's just not melting. I don't... What? Maybe just add more stuff. So I get the surface area at least. No, why is it solid? Bro, what is this? Just loses all of the heat. This is impossible. Blast with even more heat. Just want this tin to go. This is fucking me up, dude. Oh my god. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Can I do the same thing on this? Oh my god, it's melting. Don't let up now. Press it flat. Come on, come on, come on. Finally we're making progress. Don't care about this. Let me press this more flat. Jesus fucking Christ. What is this? Oh, this is not beautiful. So what we will do is we will add a bunch of goop to our tin. Try to make it work that way. And cover it in tin again. There we go. Okay. Jesus. Okay, let's see. Can we actually focus? There we go. Is there a hole there? I think so. Damn. Can we actually put this thing through now? There's no way, right? Nope. Maybe. Let's try again. Try again. If at first you don't know. Ooh. Oh. Let's go. Okay, we actually have a hole. So ripping out all of these cables was pointless. Amazing, bro. So let's first put in the pin. Let me get this to a reasonable length. Okay, there we go. And now get the pin in there. There's no way, right? Oh, we have a pin. And since it's snug in there, pretty snug, Oh, can we see it coming out? Come on, focus. We can, okay, nice. So we can now... Okay, we can't really see it, but we know that it's there, so... There we go. Oh my god, this took so long. Oh my god, okay, so let's start again. Oof. We had... There was a cable over here. Which... Let's get this back in there. Just so we can see where the ground is. Actually, hold on, I need to actually know where the fuck the ground is. Okay, it's the first, second and third. Focus. See, G and D, okay. Those are both ground, so... First, second, third. Let's select this one again. Where's my black cable? Hold on. There we go. Here's the end there. Okay, let's get some cable out. Let me get off some of the isolation. There we go. We want it like here, right? So what we will do is we will get some goop. Put the goop on the cable. And solder it in. Now can actually go down a little bit in temperature. And rotate this a bit. And this goes here. Come on, melt. Melt, 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 melt. Okay, I think it's... no. We are going off screen with this. Slowly but steadily. I need some bigger tips for this. Oh, Jesus Christ, don't melt this. Okay. That's not... Hold on. How sharp is this? Is this in there? You know what? Let's just do the other end first. And then we will be fine. Oh no, this part is bent over here, right? Oh boy. Like this, right? Then we cut it off like here. And de-isolate it a little bit. To do this off camera. Because I need to see this very well. Come on, get off. Okay. Bro. So you are going up till here. Then you have the bend over here. Come on. Believe in you. You can make the bend. Bend. There we go. Let's push this side a little straighter. Just so it looks better. Because, you know, we are all about looks. And we will need to bend this part down. Okay, I think I might need my fingers for this one. So I can accurately, oh, that's, we are close. I need the other tweezer for this. There we go. Why? Okay, now this is in there. This is not yet in there, but it will be. Trust in the process, guys. Now. Where's my... There we go. Oh, this way around maybe. Oh, this is an awkward angle. Oh my god. I don't want to really touch the isolation of either of these. Okay. Come on, dude. We're not hitting the hole. Fuck. Wrong hole. Oh, that's hot. Ow. Bruh. This isn't end hole, is it? No. It is not. I don't think so, at least. Is it good enough, though? Can I pretend like it is? That's the real question, you know? Ooh. Just press it down. Let's see how bad did we do? Focus. That didn't help. What the fuck? Will this break off? Honestly, it's pretty, nah. We're gonna be fine. Now I did mess up cables on the back side, which we will also have to redo. Let's get this thing in here. Okay, it's a bit more stable. And so we have this cable, which was like in here. Yeah, I don't think we can reuse this. This is pretty... Oh wait, hold on, we can reuse this. We're gonna go super scuffed, hold on. I have isolation tape. We can do whatever we want. Can we? This is... Yeah, maybe not, you know, maybe we actually don't want to do this. Let's just get it out of this thing. Oh my god, this is the annoying piece, I remember. Let's get the focus on this. And grab it. Come on. Oh, why do I have to work with so high temperatures? Doesn't make sense. Like, I get that this is a really narrow chip, so we're not getting a lot of the heat where we want it. But come on, dude. How is this not melting? Okay, let's get back to tinning the tip. Bro. Why are we not? Melting this. Okay, there we go. Now, get a new red one. Get the isolation off. Get some goop on there. Oops. Don't goop my microphone cables. Only goop these cables. Goop. And can I play this angle somehow? This is not an ideal angle. Hold on, let me get some tin. Oh yeah, I don't think that worked. Okay. Back to a B. Back to business, bro. Maybe do the funny. Oh, this is way too much. Oh, what the fuck just happened? Okay. We are moving off the screen. Bro, this is fucked. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's melting, it's melting, it's melting. Come on, dude. Oh my god, we did it, we did. We did it. Okay, 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 okay. Now this thing can bend. Bend there, bend here. And then we will route this over here. Let's go, dude. We will clip it off. Oops. Can't see. And we will de-isolate. This is kind of awkward with the camera. This might be too much. Start with a little bit. Come on. Fuck. There we go. Bend this back. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, yeah, we need to make sure we're not touching the ground. That would be very bad. So something like this. Just a little bit more over here. Okay. Well, I need to do this off camera. To bend this more. Maybe not. Okay. If I now get this into my tweezers. Damn it. The other tweezers. They have more grip for this type of thing. And now we can lay this on flat to actually melt this. Okay, after I fix the cables, I think I'm done for today. God damn it, I think I need to actually add some solder on here. There we go. Get back to the tweezer. Come on, dude. Are we back to this fucking cringe? Oh, we can't melt. Let me change the grip on my iron to get this more flat against this. Do it, melt. Let's maybe start with this mountain. I am almost off screen, how am I supposed to? Oh. Fuck. The isolation is off. Oh my god, it's so hot. Well, it's not touching. So I guess it's fine. Let's just say it's fine. This thing is still on, this is on. You know what? Let's try this. Let's get this negative out. And let's mount this. Zoom out a bit. So I can actually, oh my god, the focus. Okay. See if we can get this in here. Okay, let's go, dude. Can we see where this is? We can. So now, if we do this, we might be able to. Easily melt this in. I'm just gonna hold this and see how long it takes. No way it takes that long, right? Okay, maybe I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna change my grip actually, that will make it easier. Believe in you. Believe in the me that believes in you. Oh, it's getting hot on my fingers. So there's an uncomfortable angle. My fingers are close to on top of this. Oh my god, it worked. Okay, this tip is also looking pretty bad. Maybe. Maybe. Can do this. Get rid of a little bit of the oxide. Actually, let's also get some acid going. I will then have to wipe this desk, but that should be fine. This mat is heat resistant, right? I am pretty sure. Why is it loose? Really? It's not. Why is the tip? I don't think it's really in there. Come on, how are we doing? Bruh. Okay, that's good. Stuff tint, that's actually not oxidized. I need to get myself some of that stuff. You know, the... Hold on, this stuff. Retin... That's not... Retin... Solder... Ring tip. What the fuck? They're just fighting it. No, I mean this. Let's paste. Paste. Let's see. Tip tinner. This stuff. Pretty cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself one of these. And well, that's it from me. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.